Hello guys, Mr. Zabis here. So let's say you end up in a situation when your desktop environment is not loading and instead you have this black screen. So first let's switch to the terminal, so Alt F1, then we log in as root, then change directory to ptcx11 and check. So here we see the xorg.conf file, so let's move it. TP. So now we moved it. Well, the idea is if you don't have it, then the system will probe for the devices, etc. every single boot. Now let's turn it. So let's start the display manager. System control, start ITTM. Yeah, see, we're back to business, so it's working now. And if you wanna go to the terminal back, you have to press Ctrl Alt F1. Also, there is like more than one. You can just, now I'm terminal, so I can press again like Alt F2, F3, F4, and see there are different terminals available too. F5, F6, and F7 I go back to graphical user interface. So yeah, that's it. See you guys.